shared with you how interesting poultry farming is and how fundamental it is in transforming livelihoods. Poultry refers to domesticating birds for their eggs, meat, feathers, and other customary activities in some traditions. However, there are different growing habits and deliciousness according to different societies determine how deeply they are absorbed in the farming business. Turkeys are among the domesticated birds kept by humans. They are bigger and weigh between 10 to 20 kilograms. They have bigger eggs and grow faster. However, for decades, they have failed to be 100% domesticated. They prefer laying their eggs in the bush and are poor at parenting their young. Some people have started raising them because each turkey is sold very highly compared to other birds, especially in festive seasons. The male one takes charge of security against strangers by kicking and pecking. The Guinea Folds. These are still wild birds but getting domesticated gradually. They are very delicious in taste but very difficult to multiply due to the challenge of eggs fertilization. They are rarely found, and if found, they are kept for prestige. The duck. Ducks are relatively friendly birds and graze along with other poultry with no hardship at all. They are, however, more cool-blooded than chicken. They want so much to swim in water to cool off the temperature, and they drink a lot. And this makes their population also stunted because dry localities don't favor their maximum growth traits. They are very delicious when eaten cooked. The local chicken. These are the most raised birds in all parts of Uganda due to their adaptability to the climate, good parenting, and have resistance to diseases and feeding traits. They look for their own food by scratching the trashes and soils. They eat mostly kitchen remains, small insects and weeds. Because of their parenting trait, the mother is allowed between 10 to 20 eggs, which she hatches at 21 days and then starts taking care of her baby chicks. In the Uganda culture in particular, the male chicken, which is called a cock, is honored as a dowry item, and it's used in traditional marriages. If a brother-in-law accepts a cock from the groom in exchange for his sister, the marriage is then validated under the customary law. Additionally, it's the best gift that is given to a visitor in many cultures that symbolizes welcome, gratitude, and dignity. Thus, the local chickens are highly treasured in Uganda. The Crayolas. These carry some similar traits as local chickens, but grow faster and bigger. Thus, they are kept in large quantities for commercial reasons. They taste slightly different from local chickens and are not good at parenting. They are more resistant to diseases and have certainly adapted very well to the rest of African climate. The exotic breeds. These are basically imported from Asia and European countries, and these are categorized under layers and broilers. The layers are able to lay about 2 eggs in every 26 hours and can lay for a period of 2 years. The broilers are kept for their meat. They grow very fast and already marketable at 6 weeks. They are kept for meat, which is very delicious when eaten roasted, boiled, or even fried. The Master Care's ministry is using poultry farming enterprise as a means of transforming lives in the communities. In our next video, we are going to be sharing with you how to raise poultry from 1-day chick up to a period when they start laying eggs. This and much more is what you are going to experience when you choose to take a missionary trip to the Master Care's ministry in Uganda. Thank you for watching our videos, and please keep subscribed for these and more videos.